The high-speed mixer. Here is the high-speed mixer, essentially suitable for mixing pigment paste, pigment powder, master batches with PVC, HDPE, LLDPE granules or powder PVC, dry blend compounding. The key function of the mixer is to blend the required color pigments or master batches with the virgin polymer granules for the subsequent processes like extrusion, compounding, injection molding, blow molding, etc. It may also be used to get the required shade by blending with the different color pigments in different ratios. Provisions are also available to monitor the polymer temperature while mixing and timer switches to monitor and control the processes.